We've arrived in Romania. We're staying in a town called Sibiu, which is in Transylvania. It's a beautiful drive through the mountains and along a river to get here. We're here for 4 days before heading to Hungary. So far we've been very impressed with the Romanian architecture, style, city, food, so we're looking forward to it. The marathon's on over this weekend, so looks like some pre-registration party. It's a beautiful square, lots of amazing houses and buildings. So it's going to look a bit better once the marathon's over probably, and we'll be here I think on Monday when it's all packed up, so we'll have another look then. We're at a open air museum, the largest in Europe. It's called Astra. It's here in Sibiu. So we're going to wander around here for the afternoon. There we go. Don't think we're going to do it all. It's a lake with a whole lot of windmills on it. It's a postal wagon from 1900.
It does. Oh, it was like a little spot. Yeah. Yeah, they all have numbers. Look at that. Está molta perna, vês?
Oh, like a Goliath beetle or something? No, yeah, a rhino beetle. That's the one.
Is he gonna bite me?
No, I don't think so. There we go.
Whoa!
Yeah. So that was our day at the Open Air Museum. It's actually International Children's Day on Monday, so that's why they've got so many events on for kids over this weekend and on Monday. So there's probably going to be a lot more we can do in the city over the next couple of days. It's an old gold miner's homestead. So this is one of the houses with eyes up on the roof. Looks like they're squinting at you. This is the Bridge of Lies, so called because either it was where boyfriend and girlfriend would meet and tell each other's lies, or tell each other lies and then end up breaking up. Or it was where the merchant would stand and advertise their wares, telling lies to the customers. Kids fun run. So there's actually an air show on at the same time. Last day in Romania, and it's a day for the kids. We're going to Playtopia, which is a massive indoor playground. Here we go. Going to start off with the slides and then do high ropes, trampoline, and a few arcade games.
Okay, we're doing. Let's go on the slides. Come on. Okay. Yeah. See you at the bottom. Okay. Gonna go down those slides. Okay. Come on. Wait. Here. Okay. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Wait! What? I'm getting stuck. Okay, here we go. Foot. You gotta go. Oh, wait, are you supposed to get down? Lie down and wait, Maddie. Wait, it's so fun. Different. Get up. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. 2, 1. Go down. Yeah.
Into Hungary.